Hi guys, we just received the package. Do you want to see what's inside?
Yes.
Here. I wonder what it is. What is it? What is it, Lisa?
A ball with it.
A ball?
Yeah.
And it says sleep, spec and game. Let's open it up and see what's inside.
Yeah.
What's outside?
It says Team I Love Today.
Okay.
Ooh. Ooh, this looks nice. It's a little ball and a game drink and sleep spec.
Okay.
And there's a little note to Team I Love Today. Let's open it up, Isa. You want to pull here?
Yeah.
Pull it.
Oh no! It's a fire!
No, it's not inside. Oh, Isa. So we got a game, blueberry flavored powered sports drink, Isa. You can make a sports drink with it.
Yeah.
Now you like to add water to everything. You add water to this and you can make your own
And
drink.
what's that?
And it's a little ball, it's a squishy, squishy ball. Feel it? Squish, squish, squish.
Squishy.
And
Notes.
dun-dun-dun. What's in here?
Oh, I thought that was a stand.
Oh, it looks like there's something inside. It's not just a stand.
It needs to come
Yeah, it needs to come out because we're trying to get it out.
out.
Oh. It's our way. It says sleep spec. What is sleep spec?
What's inside?
What's inside?
What's in it?
What's inside? Ooh!
Glasses?
The sleep spec shades with optical insert. Use me for 2 hours before bed.
Oh.
Oh wow, warning, do not drive with me on. Okay, so it's some sort of glasses, like sunglasses, that we think would help you to sleep because you use it 2 hours before bed.
So I think I'm going to test that tonight.
So Nabia will test it out. Oh, it looks so cool. Look
Glasses?
at that.
Wow.
Glasses?
Yeah.
Is it glasses?
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Sleep spec.
Do not
Do
drive.
not drive with me on. Okay, so it's clearly indicated that it's not sunglasses. Let's try and open this.
Then what's this? And this thing. Squish, squish, squish,
Squish, squish, squish.
sit. Please take a picture.
Oh wow, look at these glasses, Isa. They're so fancy.
So fancy.
How are they? They're nice.
Ah.
Put it on yours yet?
Let's see. Let's see. Oh wow.
It goes with your red cap.
Wow, it's so
What do you see?
orange. It's like all the light is dim.
So we're outside. So
Yeah.
tell everyone we're outside and we can see the sun. It's
Okay,
a sunny
we can
day.
see it's quite sunny outside. So if you take it out, there's a blue sky,
Right.
and it's quite dark out. I mean, light outside. And now we put this on, and it changes the whole perspective. I don't know if you can see
Blue
inside.
here, let's
Blue
see.
here. Can you see?
Well, you're looking quite orange.
So that's what we see.
Okay.
So let's see. There's a little note here. Let's see.
Just be
what
careful of those
it
glasses.
says.
Careful, okay?
Ah!
So athletes have always focused on training and diet as key factors for improving performance. Now sleep has been recognized as a crucial pillar when it comes to optimizing performance
You
and recovery.
orange.
So sleep spec
Sun is orange.
The sun is orange.
that athletes need their sleep, and that's why we have game for athletes, and that the sleep spec works by filtering out blue light and allowing the body to produce melatonin, naturally inducing quality sleep and recovery. It also reduces the effects of jet lag.
Oh no.
So it's quite a handy tool, and we're going to try it tonight and let you know if Nabia has a good night's sleep with sleep spec. And we love,
Said it.
yay!